This is a sneak preview of Applied Safe as it will look like with the new platform, which will be released in the next version of Applied Safe. As you can see from the first view, we have a very much improved UX, and it really feels like we are back in the 21st century. It's more like a Facebook H-style display of information, and we see that it has been reduced quite well. As we know it from Applied Safe, we can navigate through the various levels of Safe, and when we find ourselves in portfolio level, I can still click on Kanban board, and I see beautifully rendered in the new platform the Portfolio Epic Kanban process. What has changed new, and this is a really cool feature, is that as a user, I can not only select from predefined views, no, now I can also just based on all the information available, put the whole process together for myself. So if I don't like the roles, I just click it away. I don't have to see the swim lanes. And if I'm really detail oriented, please show me all the artifacts which are shown as an input and output. So if that is rendered, I see the whole beauty and glory of Portfolio Epic Kanban with the work products as they are produced of funneling architectural epics and used in Analyze Epic. If I don't want to see them, fine, just don't look at it. If I don't want to see the interfaces or the faces, that's all fine. What I also see is that some practices are used in that process and some tools are indicated to do Portfolio Epic Kanban. Of course, I can still click on Analyze Epic as an activity as I used to be, and I see beautifully rendered that there are several input artifacts which I can look at. I can also see all output artifacts and which guidance, which practices are used, which tools, metrics are applied as well. If I am the responsible for Analyze Epic, I see now that it's expected of me that I create an output, which is called the Epic Lean Business Case. So by clicking on it, I just get the information what an Epic Lean Business Case is. I will get the template as well, and I see, hey, the Portfolio Epic Kanban is producing that Lean Business Case, and it's used for backlog budgeting and backlog management further on. If I want to see all the dependencies between the work product systems, I can render it from the engine and I see some elements which exist before and some elements which are dependent on it. Of course, in Applied Safe, we will still continue to have our very loved domain model where we see all the relevant work products of a process area connected. So we see that the portfolio backlog holds several epics, and each epic has an hypothesis statements, Epic Lean Business Case, and is recorded as a requirement because it's also a backlog item in the Scaled Agile framework. Something that is really new in the platform is also the enhanced search capabilities. And just look me while I'm typing, I can just get more and more information of what kind of descriptions, activities, work products this is used. And if I just say guardrails and I'm looking for these two work products, I can click on it and I see, aha, there are two results, the Lean Budget Guardrail and the Investment Horizon Guardrail, and this is what I was looking for. By clicking on it, I see beautifully the information on what that guardrail is in the new version, where it is altered or created, and where it is used, further used as well. Something that makes me particularly proud of is that we have a lot of improvements on the management layer, on the organizational understanding of the process as well. So what I see here is real runtime information on how the processes are used in your organization. So this is our development environment, and we see we just click always on the same process, but we see the Portfolio Epic Kanban is the most used process. And we see also the element types which we are clicking on, which we are using. And we see that some guidance we have clicked on. apparently I clicked on Agile HR with SAFe in the last time, and this is the most popular used guidance as well. So I see here the popular guidance, and when I see that Agile HR with SAFe is something that I clicked on, I may have to improve it. And if I have, for example, in an organization several times seen that always writing good user stories, splitting and features into stories, and these practices have been clicked all over and over again, this is a good indicator for me to improve on this training, on the description of what it is and how it's done, because it's probably the most critical point in the programs. So this is really a really good runtime information based on usage of the users in order to improve the organizational understanding of the processes. This was just a sneak preview of some of the features, and we will continuously show you new cool features of the new platform as well.